Ooh, Viper GTS. Man, look at that wing though. What's going on?
I don't think the license plate says nitrous. Thinking like, oh, it's Viper like nitrous, you know, like fuck you up with the nitrous, you know, fucking twin turbo guys. Nitrous the world.
Look at you. Look at that muscle. Look at that. You're like a wide body car.
Wow, the comparison.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, doggy. Hi. Hey, doggy. So we got this really cool Dodge Viper in today. We're getting it ready for Texas 2K. What we're doing is we're installing some new Forgestar wheels on this. Some nice clean gloss black mesh style wheel. So this was a quick wheel change for Texas 2K, Forgestar F14 in gloss black. Can't go wrong with the color, especially on a white car if you want a clean setup. Pretty impressive to find wheels that will clear those big brake calipers.